Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to the new class. I am Regina, your class teacher. This year I will teach you 6 subjects. So we will go together. For our smooth journey, I want your support. Once again, welcome you all to the new academic year 2021-22. Thank you. Our teachers are superstars. Let's acquaint about them. Mr. Anas PK, our principal. Mrs. Fauzia PM, section head. Mrs. Regina CS, English, Maths, GK, EVS, IT and MS2. Mrs. Premila, Hindi teacher. Mrs. Needu Krishna, Malayalam teacher. And Mrs. Regina J, Arabic teacher. This is the time for our real superstars. They will tell you about themselves. Okay, let's hear.
My name is Mohammed Shajid. I am studying 3rd B. I am from Tirunelai, Palakkad. I am Shamna Fatima. I am a girl. I am Ashfaq Ali. I study in 3rd B. Mine is called Model High School. My place. Hi friends. I am going to tell about myself. I am Sulhasana. I am 8 years old. I am studying in 3rd standard at the Model High School, Parangara. I am from Puducherry.
I am studying in 3rd standard at Model High School.
My name is Irfana Tasni. I am studying 3rd B. My name is Ashraf AA. I am studying 3rd standard. My school name is Model High School. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sanha. I am studying 3rd standard. I am a boy. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Minsia.
My school is Model High School.
My name is Shibla Sharin. I am studying 3rd B. My place is Maparam.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Niyan. I am studying 3rd standard. I am from Palakkad.
I am Rayazan. I am studying 3rd B. I am coming from Kushan.
My name is Nijwa Meher. I am studying 3rd standard B. My school name is Model High School.
I am Muhammad Rehman. I am studying Model High School 3rd B. I am from
I am Shan Muhammad. I am studying 3rd standard. My place is Ologu.
My name is Safia Fatima. I am studying 3rd B.
I am Sajid. I am studying 3rd B. I am from Palakkad. I am Shadia. I am studying 3rd standard.
I am Nisam. I am studying 3rd B. I am from Palakkad.
I am studying 3rd B. I am from Gurungara.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Aisha Ramesh. I am studying Fatma. I studying 3rd B. My school Model High School. My place Olokode.
My name is Fida Fatima. I am studying 3rd B.
I am studying 3rd B. My school name Model High School. I am from Palakkad. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Fahad. I am studying in 3rd standard B. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Niyaz. I am studying 3rd B. My place is Kalimandora.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Salam KS. I am studying.
Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Farzal. I am studying third B. I am coming from Thotuvalam Sharanangushi.
I am Muhammad Isham. I studying in third B. I live in Porungara.
Thank you all. May God bless you.